Hi everyone, it's been an eventful first quarter at Signeasy, and today I'm going to walk you through some of the newest features we've built. All of them are designed to make your contract signing process faster, safer, and a whole lot smoother. We've grouped them into 4 themes, so let's get into it. First up are the workflow and collaboration features. These features are all about making sure contracts follow the right timelines and order every single time. Let's start with something all of you asked for, the ability to delegate signing authority. If you're heading out of office, you don't have to worry about contracts piling up or getting delayed. Just delegate the signing authority to a trusted team member and the contracts keep moving even when you're away. You can find this in your account and settings within the Manage Team options, where you scroll down to the bottom and can set up delegation. Next, we built approval workflows so you can internally review contracts before it even reaches signers. This ensures that you're not chasing signatures on a contract that wasn't ready in the first place. Did you know you can now set a default signing order in your signature requests, so your contracts always go to the right people in the right sequence without any manual intervention from your end? You can find this in your account and settings, where you can go into Preferences and enable the checkbox. The next feature focuses on improving the signing experience. We've introduced in-person signing on the web, so you can now collect signatures from someone right in the room with you. Simply hand over your device so that they can sign on the spot. All you have to do is select the in-person signing option from the drop-down in the Send for Signature button. Now, let's move to our newest security features. Contracts often contain sensitive information that needs to be protected, and sometimes who's signing a contract is just as sensitive as what's in it. That's where signer privacy comes in. You can now hide signer details from other parties in the contract so that no signer knows who else is a part of the agreement. For those of you managing contracts at scale, this one's going to save you a lot of time. With Signeasy for Google Sheets, you can select any row of data, map it to your contract template, and then send it out for signature, all without leaving your spreadsheets. Fields like names, emails, amounts are directly pulled from your sheet and filled into the contract at the right places automatically. And finally, something that's close to our hearts, we've made Signeasy more accessible than ever. We're now compliant with the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. These enhancements are built into every part of the user experience because great software should work for everyone. Before you go, we have some exciting changes coming up very soon. It's bigger, bolder, and better. We're bringing a whole new look and feel for Signeasy, so stay tuned. And that's a wrap on what's new at Signeasy. If you'd like to see any of these in action or want to talk to our team, there's a link below to book a demo. We'd love to show you around. Thank you for watching and happy contracting.